Okay, for this problem in part A, you're asked to find the probability the number of storms will be greater than 2 and less than 5. So that will be the same thing as asking for the probability there's going to be 3 storms or 4 storms. So probability of 3 storms is 0.11 plus probability of 4 storms is 0.04. That gives you a total probability of 0.15. For part B, this is what's called a conditional probability. Probability there are going to be at least 4 storms given the fact that there's already been 2, so it's going to be at least 2. And the formula for this probability of A given B, let me write that better. Probability of A given B is in fact the probability of A